How to open RAR files on iPhone and extract RAR. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can extract RAR files on iPhone. So let's get started. Now for example, if this is the RAR file, you'll be able to see that you can't directly extract it over here just like you do on your PC, but there is a way by which you can extract the RAR files. To do that, you gotta head over to your app library and search for shortcuts. So just type in shortcuts and this is the application you need. So just click on shortcuts and you will be redirected to your home. So what you're going to do is click on plus icon here at the top right. And once you do so, you're going to click on search actions and here you're going to search file. And then you're going to click on this one over here. So once you do so, you're going to click on file again. And here you're going to select the specific RAR file. For example, in my case, it is this one. So I'm going to click on open. Once you do so, you're going to search for another thing. Click on search action and search for extract archive. So just click on this. And now it says extract file. Now there's also one other thing that you need to add is save file. That is this one. So simply click on this. And once you do so, you're going to click on done. So you can simply click on save file and it will take a while in order to extract your files, and then you can navigate where you wish to download the file, and after that you can head over to your files and that specific RAR file would be available for you to view. So that is basically how you can open RAR files on iPhone and extract them. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.